Power your entire home with renewable energy solutions. The best whole-house solar generator options provide reliable, eco-friendly electricity for all essential appliances. Experience seamless backup power, reduced utility bills, and true energy independence through cutting-edge solar technology. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Jackery 1500-watt solar generator. The Jackery 1500-watt solar generator is a compact yet extremely capable power solution for home backup, outdoor recreation, and emergencies. Offering a 1500 WAC output with a 3000 W surge peak, it powers heavy appliances like refrigerators, air conditioners, and cooking equipment with ease. Despite its high output, the unit weighs only 23.8 pounds and features a foldable handle, making it easy to store and transport for camping, road trips, or emergency evacuation. Its 1070 watt-hour capacity provides a dependable energy reserve for multiple devices, keeping essentials running when you need them most. Jackery's 1-hour fast charging system takes the Explorer 10000 V2 from 0% to 100% in emergency mode in just 60 minutes, or defaults to 1.7 hours to protect long-term battery health. This performance comes from the brand's advanced Charge Shield 2.0 technology, which enhances safety and charging efficiency. The durable LFP battery inside maintains more than 70% of its original capacity after 4,000 cycles, translating into a lifespan of over 10 years of regular use. Connection versatility is another highlight. 2 USB-C ports, 1 USB-A port, 1 DC car port, and 3 pure sine wave AC outlets handle everything from phones and laptops to power tools and appliances, while integrated LED lighting adds convenience during outages. PD100W fast USB-C charging ensures high-speed power delivery to modern devices without the need for bulky adapters. Number 2. Westinghouse 12,500-watt solar generator. Westinghouse's 12,500-watt solar generator brings industrial-level power and traditional reliability to home backup systems. Delivering 9,500 running watts and 12,500 peak watts on gasoline, or 8,500 running watts and 11,200 peak watts on propane, it easily runs multiple high-demand appliances simultaneously. Remote start with an included key fob, plus electric and recoil start options, simplifies operation even in emergencies. With up to 12 hours of runtime on a 6.6-gallon fuel tank equipped with a fuel gauge, this generator is engineered for extended use. Safety and versatility come built in. 2 GFCI 120-volt 20A standard household outlets, a transfer switch-ready 120-volt L14-30 30A outlet, and an RV-ready 120-40-volt 1450R 50A outlet, all feature rubber covers for added protection. At its heart is a heavy-duty 457cc Westinghouse 4-stroke OHV engine with a cast iron sleeve for longevity, automatic low oil shutdown, and a digital hour meter. The bright VFT display shows real-time voltage, frequency, and lifetime hours so you can monitor performance at a glance. Number 3. EcoFlow 3600-watt solar generator. The EcoFlow 3600-watt solar generator is built for serious home energy storage and off-grid flexibility. Featuring a large 3600-watt LFP battery capacity, the Delta Pro delivers robust backup power for essential household circuits or extended outdoor stays. Its modular design allows expansion from 3.6 kilowatt-hours up to 25 kilowatt-hours when paired with Delta Pro extra batteries or smart generators, effectively scaling to your power needs. A single Delta Pro unit outputs 3600 watt AC, expandable to 4500 watt with XBoost technology, and even to 7200 watt when 2 units are combined. This means it can run 99.99% of heavy-duty devices at home, on job sites, or during travel. With 15 output methods, USB-A, fast charge USB-A, USB-C 100 watt, 5 AC outlets, DC outputs, car power, and an Anderson port, it powers multiple devices simultaneously with ease. Recharging is equally impressive. EcoFlow's extreme fast charging fills the battery in 1.8 hours via 240-volt outlets at 3,000 watt, 2.7 hours with 1,800-watt wall outlets, or 2.8 hours with four 400-watt solar panels at up to 23% conversion efficiency. Its advanced battery management system ensures that this speed remains safe and consistent. Number 4. Anker Solix 2400-watt solar generator. The Anker Solix 2400-watt solar generator, powered by the Powerhouse 767, blends high output with exceptional durability for long-term use. Its infinite power technology allows it to last over a decade even with daily operation, and the included 5-year full device warranty underscores this confidence. With 2400-watt output, SurgePad technology enables it to handle up to 3600-watt without overloading, powering everything from kitchen appliances to RV systems. Users can run or charge up to 12 devices at once through its exclusive RV port, 4 AC ports, 3 USB-C ports, 2 USB-A ports, and 2 car outlets. Rapid recharge is another highlight. HyperFlash technology brings the battery from 0% to 80% in just 1.4 hours, ensuring minimal downtime during emergencies or travel. This makes the Solix 2400W ideal for home backup, mobile workstations, and outdoor adventures alike. By combining fast charging, extensive device support, and a rugged build rated to last 10 years, the Anker Solix 2400-watt solar generator stands as a reliable and forward-thinking choice for heavy-duty portable power. Number 5. Anker Solix C300 solar generator. Compact yet surprisingly powerful, the Anker Solix C300 solar generator is designed for travelers and light power users who still want reliable off-grid energy. It provides 300W output, 600W surge with a 288Wh capacity, enough to run or recharge essential devices during short trips or emergencies. Its 8-port layout, 3 AC, 300W, 1 car socket, 120, 2 high-power USB-C, 140W, 1 USB-C, 15W, and 1 USB-A, 12W ensures every gadget can stay powered. At 15% smaller than comparable models and with an optional strap, it's highly travel-friendly. Solar charging adds a sustainable edge, pairing seamlessly with a 60-watt panel for renewable recharging. Note compatibility limitations with certain Anker panels. For speed, it recharges to 80% in just 50 minutes from a wall outlet, or can be topped off via solar panels, car, or the PD 3.1 USB-C port. Inside are LiFePA4 batteries designed to last 3,000 cycles, around a decade of regular use, combined with smart temperature control and impact resistance for safety. Backed by a 5-year power station warranty, the Solix C300 offers an ideal balance of portability, charging flexibility, and long-lasting performance, making it perfect for spontaneous adventures, mobile work, or backup power during small-scale outages. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.